And actually one of the first YouTube Macau videos I made was here. It was with this guy. Pretty cool looking guy, you know. Nice beard, eh? Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Backside of Sao Paulo ruins, and you kind of have all this kind of cool stuff right here. Sao Paulo ruins right there. So it's the backside. So you have these apartments back here, and these ones too. And we're gonna go around. It's called Calçada de Sao Paulo. Okay, so yeah, the backside of Sao Paulo ruins, and over to this side it's like a little park, banyan tree, backside. And Sao Paulo ruins is a facade, so I think it was first built in the 1500s, 1560 something like that. And then it burned down in the 1800s, I believe it was. And then they, but the facade stayed or something like that. And then here, there's a security guard here, but there's a bunch of like historical stuff all the way in. No climbing, it says. And over here is a park. You can go up to the top, and there's a museum, and there's like cannons, and you can overlook everything. And it's pretty cool too. Actually might be really nice right now. It's the Sao Paulo ruins right here. So yeah, this is the back side. So usually everybody comes up from this side. And there it is right there. So here's Sao Paulo ruins. And yeah, pretty cool. And we could try to go up there as well. So up there would be a good place to overlook everything if it's still open to get up there. Looks like it is. Closed. So I saw some people up there, but they can't come up and down this way. They have to go all the way around the other side of the mountain almost. So anyways, this is Sao Paulo ruins, and this is this beautiful park, beautiful trees, and yeah, I guess we'll just take a look around here instead. So yeah, lots of places to sit and enjoy. There's banyan trees too. We're gonna walk back down to Sao Paulo ruins, but then, so I think earlier I could see some people that were up there, but the sun just went down, so maybe it just, or it's going down. So I guess they, surprised they don't let people up there for the sunset. And actually one of the first YouTube Macau videos I made was here. It was with this guy. Pretty cool looking guy, you know. Nice beard, eh? Similar? Maybe. Okay. That's him right there. And you can kind of read it if you might have to scan it a little bit, but or you can just look up his name. And we're gonna head on back down. So yep, that's the facade of Sao Paulo ruins. Okay. So that's where we're going to be walking down next, but I'm going to close this video out for now. Okay, and It's actually quite quiet. Usually this can be insanely crowded when tourist season is open, but right now it's not really like that at all.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.